Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I want to do an experiment. I want to take this sticker I have, this piece of cloth, and see if I can resin or epoxy it to this cloth and see how durable it is. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's let that sit a couple hours and see how it turns out. The answer is yes. You can resin, epoxy, at least the Bondo brand fiberglass resin, a sticker to a piece of cloth. It's a bit flexible. I may not have had enough hardener in it, but the important piece is the sticker did not bubble, melt, severely discolor. It's a handsome devil, isn't he? Anyway, there you have it. You can epoxy a sticker to a piece of cloth, and peace out. Have fun making.